Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I'm still day of today. Yesterday also, but yeah, yesterday I didn't do anything. I just bike around here. I actually meet Chef Alessandro on that side, but I tried to come back because he asked me to come back in the afternoon. I come back, but around already 4 o'clock, and I think he's gone. I mean, he left by the time. I was surprised when I get out of the house just like 10 minutes ago because again those white rabbit in there. Yeah, there's another one. This one looks good. In some area mostly are brown rabbit, but here is white. Nice. Yeah, like what I'm saying, I was surprised when I get out of the house this afternoon because the temperature is warm. Yesterday was cold. I know this time it's not winter anymore, already spring according to the calendar. We are first going to find a restaurant to eat. I don't want to eat any more fish and chips or any other fried things. Yeah, I want something nice. We are going to check if the restaurant there is open. Because the timing they have is really, you don't really know when are they going to open. They're busy, a lot of people this time. Oh, they are actually closed now. There is a sign on the door that they are closed. They just closed, they just put the sign that they are closed, but still a lot of people eating. But of course I can't go there and ask for food because the kitchen, they are already closed. I mean, I am also a cook. I know the feeling of having a late guest. Not good. Look at that. If you can see those fish. Yeah, they are big. I don't want to eat in this restaurant because I eat there yesterday, calamari, and I don't want something fried today. This morning I had fried egg with hot dog and tomato, and then a cookies with cheese. If you can see this blue like apartment, one of the unit there is for rent and just $200. I don't know if everything is included, but yeah, inside is good. I've seen the pictures. And another thing that is good is that it is just here. They are near the beach. I am actually looking for an apartment or a room for Rafael because Rafael is coming here in my place. Yeah, he's going to work in the same company where I am working. Rafael is a colleague from Sydney. We both come here through training and research visa. I always go to his apartment before in Sydney because the other guys, the gang, they live there. They live in the same house before. So it's like our meeting place now. It's not a gang, it's like a group of friends. And Rafael is going to stay in my apartment. My apartment is just one room, so just for me. If my apartment has 2 rooms, for sure I will let him stay in the other room. But I was checking in the internet in this area. There are apartments actually that has 2 rooms for just $250. Yeah, that's good. So yeah, I was coming from that hill. I drive and I reach this place. Look at those pelicans. They are sleeping. No, they are just resting. We get closer to them. Oh, don't move. It's okay. I'm not going to. Oh, they are scared. Okay, I go back. Okay, we're going to the restaurant. In the same restaurant. Last time I eat calamari. Also calamari in this restaurant. Yeah, calamari last week and then calamari yesterday. some fish and chips in the other days before, maybe 2 weeks ago, and I don't feel like eating something fried again. I'll check what they have. You know, this temperature is really nice. It's warm, not cold. I actually brought my scarf, but I put it in my backpack because I don't need it. Yeah, this temperature is the ideal one. Oh, look at my bike. If you notice, I put the rack of my bike because I am always having this tripod with me. Yeah, so that if in case I need to take some creative video or creative photo, I can just grab it. But if you order you know, a banana bread here in Australia, they will give you one, yeah, knife. I don't know why knife, why no fork. Yeah, always, every time. Look at this caravan. Caravan always has people, you know, occupying the space. Yeah, nice. Especially during summer. I'm smelling something like chemical. Maybe they put some, you know, pesticide in the bushland. There is one big lizard. It is getting inside the, oh, yeah. Oh, it's now inside the, yeah, there is like a hole on top of the tree, and the big lizard get inside there. Nice. Okay. Yeah, the color of the sun, the sky is blinding. It's full white. You don't really see the things there because of that. Yeah, but it's beautiful still. A lot of cars in here. It means that there are many people on the beach on the other side, and also for sure a lot of people are on top of the mountain. Yo, the heat of the sun is there again. You know, if you look at this, there's no more sign of burning, because you know, like I don't know, last year, yeah, there was a bushfire in this mountain, in this hill, and now it's all good. All the trees are color green again. Really tempted to get up there. It is actually, once you get there, it is a rough road, but I think the timing is not really good for me. Yo, we are now heading home. Oh, the sun is hiding in the clouds. Yeah, I was actually waiting for that because, you know, yeah, but you know, the clouds is really thick and dark on that side, so it's not going to give a nice color today. I was expecting something, you know, orange red color, but yeah, the cloud is really thick. Okay, that's it. We are going home now, really. Oh, look at that. The moon is there. You can see that. We're just going to buy dishwashing soap. Yeah, because you know, last time I took this one. Yeah, I still have maybe this much, but it's not, there's no bubbles when you use it. It's just 99 cents. I'm not going to take you anymore. Maybe this. Yeah, $2.69. And it's 900 ml. This one is 1 liter. Oh, yeah, I go for this one. This is just $2. Yeah, Others, look at this, they're expensive. $4.30, just 400 ml. This one, 1 liter, $2. We go for this. They are all the same. It is now 5:51, and as you can see, it's not really dark yet. Yeah, like previously, 5 o'clock is already very dark.